Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, with Skirshy this morning. This is Skirshy's very first visit here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief.
Say it right.
Skirte.
Skirte. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Skirte has had a bad habit of cracking her own neck for how long? Years?
Yes.
Since you were a kid?
Yes.
Yeah. And that is called self-adjusting. Even though you're not really adjusting it, you're getting popping noises. But what that does is that creates ligamentous instability, and you've had neck pain now for quite some time, and then had a car accident on top of it.
Yes.
Went to see a chiropractor for treatment on that, and got adjusted.
Yeah.
And
not much help.
It didn't help you that much?
No.
Well, I'm sorry to hear that. You know, I crack necks professionally, right? Okay, that's why you chose to come here, right?
Yes, my brother is like obsessed watching your videos.
Another crack addict.
Yeah, he is a crack addict, worse than me.
Okay, well, let's check you out here, then, Skirshy.
No, that's all right.
You can just call me Kelly.
Okay, let's have you close your eyes and bend your head forward and backwards for me. Oh, my Albanian's not really that good. Back to neutral for me. Now see, I can tell she used to be a side sleeper, which she confessed to, besides popping her own neck all the time. But she says she's sleeping on her back now, which is a good thing. Did you get that from watching our videos?
No, I think just after my pregnancy,
Oh, okay.
it was easier.
Yeah. Hard to lay on your stomach being pregnant, huh?
Yeah.
So I've already done her history and examination, and I'm going to have her lay on her stomach here and give her her first chiropractic adjustment here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief today. Now this was a real interesting finding on her. Her right leg is shorter by a ½ an inch in this position. When I bring it up, the left one gets even longer, and that probably tightened up a little bit in her low back. Yep. She's got some tenderness here in her SI, but most of it's right here in the lower lumbars. All the lumbars are actually tender. Now this is a sacral deviation test that I did on her. Go ahead and lift your right one up. Okay, now do the left one. And see, she has a really hard time getting that left one up. That hurt more on this side, right? So I'm going to start off adjusting her left SI joint first. Help pop the piece. There. Yep. Now some of these will be a little sore here at first, Kelly. See, I got it right that time. Yes, ma'am. Okay. I'm going to recheck your leg length here. Now they're even. I bet you that didn't tighten up as badly.
No.
There, I'm going to put the curve back in your cervical spine. There you go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please. Good. Now slide down this way a little bit. No, slide down this way a little bit.
Oh, down.
Put both arms out to the sides for me, please. Adjust your AC joints here, and your clavicles where they attach to your sternum, and then your anterior costosternal joints. There we go. Good. Okay. You relax your hands on your tummy. There you go. Should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your lower back.
Yep.
Okay, same thing here. Let me have you. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's sit you up, face towards Renee. There we go. Yes, ma'am. You know it's yellow, aren't you?
Learning some new areas I can pop.
Yeah. And don't be a turkey, don't be popping yourself. And you guys don't be turkeys popping your own necks either. Let a professional chiropractor do that for you.
Yeah.
Because it's not going to help you trying to pop your own neck, does it? Okay,
Nope.
Let's come over here. Okay. I'm going to have you lay on your back with your butt right here and head up this way.
Like that?
Butt right here, head up this way on your back.
Oh.
No, other way.
This way?
Yes, ma'am. Feet down this way. Feet down here.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Now lay all the way back.
I'm 4. No, so bad.
Slide down this way a little bit. See, I don't speak Albanian that well, and you don't speak Houstonian. There we go.
Whoa.
A little tight. They want you to get away. Well, if your husband's a crack addict, he's definitely going to like this video.
My brother.
Oh, your brother, I'm sorry. What's your husband think about this?
I'm not sure.
Yeah. Okay. Now, breathe through your nose. Exhale with your left ear. There you go. Yep. Now, you should have felt that all the way down.
I think I can move.
Yeah, you can. There. Let me have you. There you go. So you've now had your cervical spine professionally cracked. Alright. Let me help you up sideways. There we go. Okay. Now let's stand right here in front of the mirror again. Okay, so I'm going to have you flex your head forward and backwards for me again. In neutral. See, that was better. Didn't crunch as much, did it?
No.
Yeah, hold those there for me, hon. And we're going to bring that head all the way back this way and look at the wall behind you. I don't think you're looking at the wall behind you. There you go. Okay. Now try that very same move again, forward, backwards, and neutral. And tell me how that one felt different to you.
It all feels different. It feels light, looser.
Okay, good.
Not as tense.
Good. So you watched this on YouTube. How was getting the adjustment in person like compared to watching it on YouTube?
It was great. I feel much better. I came in here with a lot of tightness on my neck, and now I feel much better.
Good, good.
That last pull did everything.
That ring dinger does it every time,
Well,
doesn't
that's the ring dinger.
Yes, this is the ring
Yes,
dinger.
you need the ring dinger.
That's
Everybody needs
right.
the ring
See,
dinger.
yeah, you need the ring dinger. And you can only get one of them here. It's not the Y strap. It's the actual ring dinger.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for sharing your story with everyone. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief, saying don't be a turkey cracking your own neck and back. Get to a professional chiropractor. Happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see y'all soon.